Hello and welcome to another edition of Airbed Pro's Airbed Repair videos. This one's on how to repair an air leak in an Air Pro air chamber. If you've noticed online, ours are blue, and if you introduce bleach into the cover, it's going to be real hard to see where your leaks are and what's going on. It will work, it's just not ideal. What we've done is we've inflated the air chamber outside of the bed on a table we can work with it, and we've actually located the air leak, and we're going to show you where it's at here real quick. But I want to tell you exactly how to do things. First off, I'd like for you to know that we recommend for you to use windex, original windex, to spray down the air chamber. And as you see, there's a bunch of bubbles in there. Wherever you have an air leak, it's going to bubble, and so we're going to show you that now. You're going to start seeing that as you get up close to that air leak, you can see the bubbles coming out in the very center. It's just foaming up. Now go ahead and we're going to wipe it. And if you kind of see, we actually marked it with a black marker. And that's what I recommend you do, is that you mark it with a black marker, and then that way you can see where the air leaks are coming from. And if you do the whole air chamber, you'll find out if you have more than one leak, you kind of got to push in to force the air to come out. You can almost hear it. It's like a whistle, but you'll see it bubbling up, and that's really what you want. So as you go through the process, you'll let this dry, and then you'll introduce a patch kit. And we're going to show you today how to do a dual bond. This is some new techniques that I've been doing on airbeds, and you'll need the small, large, or extra large patch kit to do the dual bond. Well, we're going to show you how to do it here in just a couple minutes. If you give me a couple minutes to get set up, we'll shoot the video for the second half. It's Brandon with airbedpros.com, and look for me online. Please subscribe to my page so we can get some more advertisements, and I'll be back to help you with more airbed repair.